Most people look at this exact math question and get it dead wrong, even though it looks like something you could solve in your sleep. Look at this expression. 2 squared divided by 2 times 2. There are no massive numbers, no terrifying fractions. So why do so many smart people slip up here? To fix this once and for all, we are going to learn the absolute laws of math across 5 challenging levels. Welcome to Level 1, the trap. Let's break down how it catches everyone off guard. A massive misconception out there is that multiplication takes precedence over division. If you fall victim to this line of thinking, you will decide to multiply 2 by 2 first, which gives you 4. From here, you evaluate the exponent. 2 squared is, of course, 4. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Very clean and logical, right? Many would confidently lock in 1 as their final answer. But guess what? It is completely incorrect. But hey, if you fell for it, don't let a bad start discourage you. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. Let's find the true path. Let's step up to Level 2, the right path. When you look at this expression, you probably think, okay, do I multiply first, or divide, or this or that? Well, it is officially time to unleash our ultimate math weapon, PEMDAS. Without PEMDAS, mathematics would devolve into absolute chaos. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Think of it as a strict checklist you must follow. For grouping symbols, always work from the inside out. Parentheses first, then square brackets, then curly braces. Next comes the exponents, like 2 to the 9th power or square roots. You have to handle those before you touch any standard arithmetic. Now, here is the exact rule that trips up 90% of people: multiplication and division. Listen closely. They hold equal priority. Just because M comes before D in the acronym doesn't mean you multiply first. You must solve them strictly from left to right. Take 36 divided by 4 times 5. If you mistakenly perform the multiplication first, you end up with 36 over 20. Wrong. Scanning left to right, 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 9 times 5 gives you the true answer, 45. The exact same left-to-right rule applies to addition and subtraction. Look at this example. If you add 4 and 10 first, you get 128 minus 14, which is 114. Incorrect. Moving left to right, 128 minus 4 is 124, plus 10 equals 134. Now that we have our weapon locked and loaded, let's return to our original problem and crush it the right way. We have 2 squared divided by 2 times 2. First, prioritize our exponent. 2 squared equals 4. Now, working strictly from left to right, we tackle the division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Finally, 2 times 2 equals 4. Look at that. You just unlocked the right path. You're building a rock-solid foundation, so let's keep this momentum moving. Stepping up the ladder, Level 3, the order play. 8 divided by 4 squared minus 3 times 5. Following our PEMDAS checklist, we must clear the parentheses first. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Next up on the checklist, exponents. 2 squared is 4. Now we have a standoff between subtraction and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication wins this round every single time. 3 times 5 is 15. Final step. Subtracting 15 from 4 drops us into negative territory, giving us a final answer of negative 11. Level 3 is conquered. Your ability to spot hidden priority levels is getting sharper with every single step. Now things are getting serious. Welcome to Level 4, the power chamber. Look at this absolute beast. When you come across nested brackets, start the work from the innermost layer and work outward. Looking at the deep inner parentheses, we have 8 plus 3 minus 9. Moving left to right, we add 8 and 3 to get 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now, let's evaluate that inner exponent. 2 squared is 4. Welcome to Level 5, Chain Reaction. Look carefully. We have two completely independent sets of parentheses. Let's simplify both of them first. Looking at the first set, 5 squared is 25, and 3 squared is 9. So, 25 minus 9, which equals 16. Now, let's pivot to the second set of parentheses. Evaluate the exponent first. 2 squared is 4. So, we get 6 minus 4, which is 2. Time to remember our master rule. Multiplication and division are equals, so we move left to right. Division first, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Finally, multiply 4 by 2, and the final answer is 8. You successfully survived the chain reaction. Reaching level 5 proves you have the mental stamina of a true logic champion. But wait. Every legendary journey needs one final test to prove your mastery. Welcome to the boss level final challenge. We must simplify everything inside the brackets first. Look at the first inner parenthesis. Evaluate the exponent first. 6 squared equals 36. This gives us 36 minus 20, which simplifies directly to 16. Meanwhile, look at the second inner set of parentheses. 3 plus 1 easily equals 4. The expression inside our main brackets is now simplified down to 16 divided by 4. Evaluating this clean division gives us 4, completely clearing away the brackets. The remaining expression is now a clear run to the finish line. Working strictly from left to right, we perform the multiplication first. 4 times 18 equals 72. Finally, divide 72 by 3. And we unlock our answer, 24. You officially conquered the entire board. Evaluation complete. It's time to find out your true mathematical rank. Count up how many levels you got right out of 5 and drop your score and your rank in the comments below. Let's see where you land. If you got a perfect 5 out of 5, you're a PEMDAS god. Flawless execution. Your mathematical intuition is completely untouchable. If you scored 4 out of 5, you're a logic master. Just one minor slip-up, but your algebraic core is incredibly strong. If you scored 2 to 3 out of 5, you're an apprentice. You clearly see the patterns forming. You just need a tiny bit more field practice to lock down your reflexes. And if you scored 0 to 1 out of 5, don't worry for a second. You're a rookie. Everybody has to start somewhere. The best thing about math is that it's a muscle. Just save this video to your watch list and come back to practice it again next week to watch your score skyrocket. No matter what rank you got, you actively work to level up your algebra skills today. If you enjoyed this mental workout, smash that like button, subscribe for more daily puzzle breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.